Hey guys, today we're going to take our Instagram business page and make it personal once again. Top right corner where you see the number 1 and 3 lines, click that. Takes you to this page. Scroll down, you will see the word settings. Click that. Once you get to the options page, I want you to scroll down. Business settings, keep on scrolling, shopping. Right before you see privacy and security, you will see the word switch back to personal account. Switch back, click that. And then within a matter of seconds, you will be notified that your account is no longer a business account, but is now a personal account. It's just that simple and that easy, guys. I hope this tutorial helped you like it helped me figuring it out because I couldn't find an updated 2019 tutorial. So have a great day and we will see you soon.